Ready to ditch the communication chaos and unlock seamless teamwork? Let's dive into the essentials, Microsoft Teams, in just a minute and a half. First, familiarize yourself with the Teams interface. The activity feed keeps you updated on mentions, replies, and other important notifications. It's your central hub for staying in the loop. To start a chat, click on the chat icon and select New Chat. Type in the name of the person you want to message here. You can send direct messages, share files, and even start a quick video call. Now, let's create a team. Click on Teams, then select Join or Create a Team. Choose Create Team. You'll then be prompted to name your team and add members. Inside a team, you'll find channels. Channels are organized spaces for specific topics or projects within each channel. Use the Posts tab for discussions, the Files tab for sharing documents, and the Wiki tab for collaborative note-taking. Time for a meeting. Click the Meet button in the top right corner of a channel to start an instant video conference or schedule one for later. You can share your screen, record the meeting, and use features like background blur. Sharing files is super simple. Just drag and drop them into the Files tab of your channel, and everyone in the team will have access. You can also co-edit documents in real time, making collaboration a breeze. And there you have it. You've now got the basics down for navigating Microsoft Teams. Explore the activity feed, start chats, create teams, use channels, jump into video conferences, and share files effortlessly.